Welcome to session 4. In this session, we will focus on addressing the varied needs, strengths, and obstacles faced by students with special needs. We will explore the process of developing and executing individualized education plan or personalized plans tailored to each student's requirements. Additionally, we will discuss strategies for monitoring progress, adapting teaching methods, and assessing students' achievements to ensure effective outcomes. In this session also, we will focus on the importance of understanding the diverse needs, strengths, and challenges of students with special needs. We'll explore methods for assessing these aspects to ensure every student receives personalized support. Assessing students with special needs requires a personalized approach using methods like individualized education program, functional behavior assessment, and strength-based assessments, considering cultural and linguistic factors for effective support. An individualized education program is a legally binding document that sets goals, accommodations, and services for students with special needs, utilizing assessment methods such as a review of existing data, formal assessments, and observational assessments. A functional behavior assessment is a systematic process aimed at identifying the underlying causes of challenging behaviors, utilizing methods such as direct observation, interviews, and behavior rating scales. Recognizing and harnessing the strengths of students with special needs is crucial for promoting their success with assessment methods including strength-based interviews, portfolio assessments, and strength-based surveys. Consideration of students' cultural and linguistic background is crucial when assessing their needs, strengths, and challenges, with culturally responsive assessment methods including culturally sensitive interviews and language assessments. The individualized education plan is essential for addressing the unique needs of students with disabilities. It outlines specific goals, accommodations, and services tailored to each student. Understanding the IEP development process is crucial for effective collaboration among educators, parents, and stakeholders. The process begins with identifying students who may require special education services, with teachers, parents, or other stakeholders referring a student for evaluation if a disability is suspected. Once eligibility is determined, an IEP team meeting is held to develop the student's individualized plan. The team, including parents, guardians, teachers, special education professionals, and the student, if appropriate, collaborates to set goals, discuss assessment results, and determine accommodation and services. Goals and objectives are established based on the student's strengths, needs, and evaluation results. They should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Objectives outline the steps and criteria for achieving each goal, providing a clear roadmap for monitoring progress. Accommodations are adjustments to support the student's participation and success, while services may include specialized instruction, related services, and assistive technology. The IEP team determines the appropriate accommodations and services based on the student's individual needs and goals. Implementation and review is important. The IEP is put into action in the classroom, with educators providing agreed-upon accommodations and services. Progress is monitored regularly, and review meetings are held periodically to assess the students' progress towards their goals. The IEP is adjusted as necessary based on ongoing assessment data and feedback from stakeholders. Developing an individualized education plan is a collaborative process involving educators, parents, and stakeholders. Through careful assessment, goal setting, and ongoing monitoring, the team creates a tailored plan to address the unique needs of each student with disabilities, promoting their academic and personal success. Addressing the unique needs of students with disability requires a comprehensive approach, including monitoring progress, adapting instruction, and evaluating outcomes. This is what we explore in this lecture. Strategies tailored to support the academic and developmental growth of these students. So it is important to develop individualized education plans that are specific academic, developmental and functional goals for each student, ensuring they are measurable and aligned with the student's needs and abilities, and regularly review and update them based on ongoing assessment data and progress monitoring. It is important to implement a differentiated instruction and utilize universal design for learning principles to accommodate diverse learning needs, offer alternative methods of instruction, assessment, and expression to support students with disabilities in accessing and demonstrating their needs. Implementing assistive technologies, tools, and accommodations to support students with disabilities. It is important to provide training for students and educators in their use. Regularly assess effectiveness and make adjustments as needed. Implement frequent progress monitoring to track students' academic and functional progress towards their IEP goals. Collect and analyze data from formal assessments, observations, and work samples. Use data to identify areas of strength and growth, as well as areas requiring additional support or intervention. Promote collaboration among educators, specialists, parents, and stakeholders to support students with disabilities holistically. Maintain open communication to address individual needs and promote overall well-being. Start transition planning early to assist students with disabilities in preparing for life after high school, including post-secondary education, employment, and independent living. Involve students in the planning process, support them in setting goals and accessing resources to achieve their aspirations. It is important to monitor and evaluate post-school outcomes to assess planning effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Monitoring progress, adapting instruction, and evaluating outcomes for students with disabilities requires a thoughtful and individualized approach. By implementing strategies such as developing personalized IEPs, using differentiated instruction and assistive technology, conducting ongoing progress monitoring, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing transition planning, educators can support academic and developmental growth and help students achieve meaningful outcomes. Thank you for watching.